Good morning children. In today's class we are going to see about mode and median. Okay, in the last class we saw about mean to find the average of given data. In today's class we will be seeing two new topics, that is mode and median. By mode, the mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. Okay, so if you are given with a set of observation, maybe a single number can repeat more than 2 or 3 times. Okay, so that number is known as mode. Okay, now let us see what is median. Median is the mid value of the given data when arranged in ascending or descending order. When you arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order, you will get a middle value. So that value is known as the median of the given data. Okay, now let us see some problems from exercise 3.2. Look at the second question. The second question, the scores of 11 players are given. Okay, 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. So these are the scores. First thing what we have to find is mean, then we have to find mode, then we have to find median. Okay, so now let us find mean. How to find mean? Sum of all observations divided by total number of observations, right? So 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 and divided by 11, right? So what you have here? Here you have, let us add all the big numbers. Okay, so here 120 is given and 50. 120 plus 50 will give you 170. 170 plus 100 is 270. 270 plus 80 is 350. Okay, then you have 10 here, 350, 360, 370. Okay, then these two 15s will make 30. 370 plus 30 will give you 400. And here you have 406. And again you have 15 here. This will give you 421. Okay, then one more 8 is here. So 429 divided by 11. So here you have, if you can cancel it, you can cancel. 3s are 33. So what is left out? 9 is left out. So 99. So 9s are 99. So the answer is 39. So 39 is the mean. Okay. So next we have to find mode. Now which is the most repeated observation? It is 15, right? So we have 3 times 15. So 15 is the mode. Then we have to find median. For finding median, we have to arrange it in ascending order. So now let us arrange it. 6, 8, 10, 10, then 15, 15, 15, then what you have? 50, 80, 100, 120. Did you get all the 11 observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. So now which is the middle one? Here you have 5 observations and this side also you have 5 observations and this 15 is in the center. So this is the mid value. So median is 15. Is it clear? So that's all. This is how you will find mean, median and mode for a given data. Now the next question is third question. Look here, weights of 15 students is given in kgs. Okay. The first subdivision is we have to find mode and median, and in the second subdivision they are asking, is there more than one mode? Okay. So now let us find out the mode first. Before finding the mode, let us arrange everything in ascending order so that it will be easy for us to find the mode. Okay. So now which is the smallest observation given here? 32. Okay. So 32. Then do we have 33? No. 34? No. 35? Yes, we have 135. And do we have 36? Yes, only 136 is there. Do we have 37? Yes, 137 is there. And do we have 38? Yes, we have 3 38s. Okay, then 39 is not there. 40 is there, only one 40 is there. Is there 41? 41 is not there. Do we have 42? Yes, 142. Okay, then do we have 43? Yes, we have 3 43s. Okay, and what else we have? Do we have 44? No. 45? Yes, we have 145 and we have 147. Okay, so now if you count and see, you will get 15 observations. Okay, so now let us find what is the mode. The mode is, which number is repeated more than one time? 38 is repeated 3 times and 43 is also repeated 3 times. So 38 and 43 are the mode. Okay, and what is median? Here we have 15 observations, right? So which will be the median? The middle term. It is the 8th term. So which is the 8th term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8th term. So if you check it, before 40 you will have 7 numbers and after 40 you will have 7 numbers. Yes or no? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 40 is the middle value. So median is 40. So is it clear for all of you? So is there more than one mode? Yes, we have 38 and 43 as the mode. So we have 2 modes here. Okay. Yes, we have 2 modes. Okay, fine. So this is your answer. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.